Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. So if this is your first time seeing me here, you are welcome. Please do consider subscribing, join the family guys, it's free. Show your girl some love, and if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. It's so gorgeous, it's pretty, it's stunning, it's beautiful, it's a date night makeup look. This look right here goes for any evening occasion you want to attend. It's a beginner friendly makeup look, easy to create, well detailed. And if you want to see how I achieve this look right here, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro concealer in shade Warm Honey. I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow primer, applying it all over my eyes and also blending it all out using a concealer brush. So the eyeshadow palette I'll be using is from Revolution Pro. It's their ultimate crystal palette in Adorned, and just take a look at the packaging. It's so pretty. The shades here are pretty. So I'll be using just 3 shades from this palette here. This shade here, this shade here, and also this golden shimmer shade here. So I'm going to be using the first darker shade on the outer corner of my eye and blending it out like in a circular motion. So I'm using the second lighter shade on a different blending brush to like blend in the dark shade across the crease. So I'm using a glitter glue to create a cut crease where I want the golden shimmer shade to be applied. And now I'm just going to apply the shimmer shade all over the glitter glue. So now I'm going to be using the same process for the second eye. Guys, this eye look is just simple, quick, and also easy. So now that we're done with the eyes, let's just move down to the face. So to moisturize my face, I'm going to be using this ultra moist facial moisturizer from Royale Makeup. So I just did apply that and I'm spreading it all out. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using this anti-pollution primer from Revolution Pro. I'm also going to be applying and spreading it all over the face. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using this Stay Matte Liquid Foundation from Royale Makeup in shade Tan 03. I'm going to be spreading that all over my face and using setting spray all over it. Then blending it all out with a beauty sponge from Cosmic Brushes. Guys, I love this sponge. It's super soft and easy to blend with. So at this time my hands were really beginning to get tired, but as you all know guys, blending is always the key. So we must continue with the blending. Blend, and blend. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using this concealer from ZKL Cosmetics in shade Creamy Ivory. I'm going to be applying that under my eyes, my mustache area, my chin, my forehead, and also my nose bridge. And I'll be using a brush to gently blend everything all out. I'm also going in with a beauty blender to make sure I get some more blending and also take off any excess product on the face. So I'll be using this Air Spoon Loose face powder to set the highlighted areas out. So I'm going to be using this Fuera Matte Compact Powder in shade Sand to set my whole face. So I'm going to be using this sculpting bronzer here in shade ENROBE from Revolution Pro to like bronze and also warm up my face. I'm also going to be using the same bronzer to define my nose. So for my blush, I'm going to be using the Pixie Beauty On The Go blush, and I'll be using this shade here in Ruby, this shade right here. So I'm going to be using a brush to like pack some and also applying it just above my cheeks. For my eyeliner, I'll be using this Zaron Cosmetics gel liner in shade Jazz 01, and for my lashes, I'll be using this Wink lashes here from their Alter Ego collection. So I'm going to be using the same Fuera compact powder I used earlier to just set my whole face. To set my makeup, I'll be using this Royale Makeup Stay On Fleek matte setting spray. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using this Makeup Obsession Cosmic Crystals highlighter in shade Fade. For my waterline, I'll be using this Makeup Obsession Coal Black eyeliner in shade Shady. So for my lower lash line, I'll be using this shade here from the eyeshadow palette, and after that I'll be using the Revolution Pro Extreme Lash Volumizing mascara in shade Black. So for my lips, I'm going to be using this Makeup Obsession liquid lipstick in shade Stock On. So I just did clean my lips and I'm just going to be applying that all over the lips. I love this lipstick, guys. It's just so pretty. Like, it's just the perfect lipstick for that night outing, that date night, that evening occasion you want to attend. So now I'm setting my whole face, but focusing more on the highlighted areas. Guys, just tell me you'll be recreating this look, because this was quick and easy to achieve. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful date night makeup look. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also leave me a cool comment down below the comment section. Let me know what you think about this look I've created here. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that. Show your girls some love. Click on that subscribe button, click on that notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. And I do love you all. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.